Recurve node. The recurve node is for creating inflate or deflate of the a small part of the noise of the mountain. For example, I insert a mountain. As you can see, this is our mountain. Auto level it, clamp it a little to make it a better view, and then I give the mountain to recurve. You have to give the something to this noise. And as you can see, it's recurving, flattening, smoothing some part of your mountain. Because of the preserved fidelity, it try to preserve the main shape of your input, its input. Mode, we have 3 mode: mono, double mode. There are different situations. As you can see, this is a mountain and this is a recurve. It's inflating, smoothing, or omni. For better understanding that, you can change the scale of that, direction of that, degree, or you can better seeing that it's actually in smoothing thing. Inflate, if you activate the main settings, as you can see, it create a inflating bumpy mountain like this. This is a mountain. As you can see, we have more round and curved things there. And you can change the scale of that. You can create such as these mountains. We have lots of these shapes in nature. That's it. Hello my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.